हेलो एंड वेलकम टू माय पॉडकास्ट संवाद। आज मैं आपके सामने एक बहुत ही अलग टॉपिक लेकर आई हूँ, दैट इज़ एनिमल कम्युनिकेटर। मेरे साथ स्टूडियो में है डॉक्टर ऐश्वर्या मराठे। वेलकम ऐश्वर्या, वेलकम टू माय पॉडकास्ट
Thank
संवाद।
you. Thank you.
आपने पीएचडी इन साइकोलॉजी, ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी किया है,
Yes.
करेक्ट? और अभी आप टेलीपैथिक इंटरस्पीशीज कम्युनिकेटर, ये भी काम आप कर रहे हो, करेक्ट?
Yes.
ओके, तो आज इसके बारे में जानने के लिए मैं भी बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ, एंड आई थिंक हमारे जो पेट लवर्स हैं वो भी बहुत एक्साइटेड होंगे। तो शुरू करें।
Definitely. So, firstly, thank you for inviting me. So, जैसे आपने बोला कि telepathic animal communication. So, I'll briefly talk about what exactly that is.
यस, आई वॉज अबाउट टू आस्क यू कि एग्जैक्टली है क्या ये, क्योंकि पेट पेट के बारे में कुछ भी बोलना है तो वी ऑब्वियसली गो टू द वेटरनरी डॉक्टर, लेकिन ये कुछ अलग है, तो जस्ट इलेबोरेट कर सकेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा होगा।
Yes, definitely. So basically, the term telepathic animal communication. So let's make it a little simple. Ki telepathy. If we split this particular word into two parts, tele and pathy. So tele का meaning होता है long distance, whereas pathy comes from a Greek word pathos, which means emotions. So telepathy is nothing but receiving information from a long distance
अबाउट इमोशंस।
about emotions.
ओके,
So, and it
Okay.
is so in this particular context, we are talking, of course, about the animals or other species, nature elements, but we keep on doing this or on a regular basis with humans as well. So, with awareness or without awareness, a lot of times this happens ki we feel that I want to message or call this person, and suddenly we get a call from that person.
what a telepathy we
What
say.
a telepathy.
Correct, correct.
So it's exactly the same thing which we practice with animals.
ओके, बट बेसिकली आप ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी में डील करते थे,
Correct.
तो इस तरफ कैसे मुड़े आप?
Correct. So I did my PhD in psychology, human psychology, and I'm also a practicing therapist.
Okay.
So while doing this, so I've always had this love for animals. So we also have a pet dog at home. So it was her birthday, and we were just thinking कि उसको क्या gift दे सकते हैं.
It's
It's a
lab,
dog. No,
lab.
it's a beagle.
Okay.
It's a beagle
It's a
dog.
female.
Female beagle dog.
Okay.
Her name is Millie.
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 Okay.
So we were just thinking कि उसको क्या gift दे सकते हैं, and we wanted it to be a little special and unique. So we were just thinking, reading, and one fine day randomly I came across one page on Instagram of an animal communicator.
Okay.
And which intrigued me a lot कि what exactly is this, and that time this idea or this thought never had even crossed my mind कि ऐसे भी हो सकता है, we can even understand what the pet is feeling. So it was a completely new world for me. So I thought of reading about it more and giving it a try. So I went, our entire family went into the process with a completely open heart and mind, just to see कि ये क्या है, for the experience purpose. And after the session, we were all shocked कि ऐसे कैसे हुआ, because the information that the communicator shared with us was so personal कि a lot of things that only us as family members knew कि क्या चालू है, उस मिली के साथ क्या चालू है, and so on. And this a person who was so many kilometers away from us, who had never even seen our dog, is telling us on her own. So which kind of was very surprising and very intriguing. So that session was like a life-changing session for us. And then I started reading up more about it, कि exactly ये होता क्या है, where can we learn it from, and firstly, can it be learned? Yeah, is this some kind of magic? So I started learning about it, reading about it, and then I decided to formally take up a course on it and learn it. And that's how my journey began.
Okay, so there is a course, some frame, you can say a typical frame course for it.
Yes. There are many courses on this. So I did the basic and the advanced level for the animal communication, and then I started practicing it.
ओके लेकिन ये यहाँ मतलब मुंबई में या कोई यूनिवर्सिटी है या जस्ट एनी पर्टिकुलर स्मॉल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इंस्टीट्यूट ये कोर्सेज चलाते हैं?
Yes, so there are many senior communicators who have started teaching this particular skill, and there are many in Mumbai as well as out of Mumbai as well. So I did it from one communicator from Pune.
Okay, but for this, what is the duration of this course, or do you get any particular degree? Yeah.
So it's a certificate course. The
Okay.
basic course is anywhere between 5 to 6 days, and
Acha, okay.
yeah, and the advanced course is again 6 to 7 days, which is a residential course where we go and stay in with the nature elements.
Okay.
So it's a basically experiential course,
Okay.
and where we practice a lot of cases and grounding techniques and all of that, and that's how the advanced course is.
Okay. So, is there any eligibility criteria for this course?
Though I think the only eligibility criteria
Love for
is
nature, love for
and
pets.
openness.
Openness. Okay, great. So, what I would like to ask you uh, is it helpful for pets only या एनी मतलब कोई भी एनिमल के लिए या सिर्फ पेट्स के लिए?
Okay, so basically ये जो telepathic communication है, which is for all the nature elements. So all the nature elements,
plants, animals, both.
animals, birds, जो भी natural elements है, yes, so उन सबके साथ ये किया जा सकता है. And as you mentioned rightly that it's very helpful for the pets, and again more helpful I think for the humans as well.
ओके, तो पेट्स के लिए इसका एग्जैक्टली मतलब हाउ इट वर्क्स, पेट्स के लिए ये कैसे काम करता है एग्जैक्टली मतलब पेट ओनर्स को भी इसका बेनिफिट है और पेट्स को भी है या ओनली फॉर पेट्स?
This absolutely is beneficial for both the pet owners, pet parents, as well as the pets. So there are three routes of basically, if I have to put it that way. First is for health concerns of the pets. Second, health concerns, well-being, and so on. Second is if the animal is gone missing or the lost animal cases.
ओके, हाँ, आई वाज
That we
Okay.
talk about. And the third is behavior. So if there are any behavioral changes or issues that the pets are facing, so this communication can be helpful in this area as well.
ओके, तो पेट्स व्हेन वी से कि उनका इमोशनल जो ये है दैट यू ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, तो उसकी वजह से जो इमोशनल बॉन्डिंग पेट्स का और पेट पेरेंट्स का है तो उसमें क्या बदलाव आता है?
So once the pet parents understand ki what exactly the pet wants or how differently he wants a particular thing to be in, I think that gives a very deep contentment feeling of satisfaction for the pet parents when they actually see their pet being very happy.
हैप्पी, करेक्ट,
And that change is visibly visible.
विजिबल, राइट राइट. जैसे अभी हम लोग कहते हैं कि pets, they make particular sounds, like if they are happy they wag their tails, या कुछ सैड ये है तो मे बी आई थिंक इवन उनके आंखों से भी आंसू आते हैं। तो ये सब इससे इसके भी परे कुछ अलावा कुछ और होता है जो what only you can understand।
करेक्ट, सो दीज आर ऑल नॉन वर्बल क्यूज जो वो देते ही रहते हैं, एंड इवन अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट देर आर मैनी थिंग्स दैट दे कीप गिविंग अस इंफॉर्मेशन बेस्ड। सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि दे माइट बी वैगिंग देयर टेल रैंडमली, the pet parents are actually innately communicating with the pet, whether they have learned this or they have not learned this. But as pet parents, they always have that connection with the pets. So they will not ask the pet like 100 questions कि तुम्हें ये चाहिए, ये चाहिए, ये चाहिए. They will frame 2 questions which are very crisp, and they will pose it to the pet कि ठीक है, if you're wagging your tail, now you want your treats. And when it hits the bull's eye, the pet goes berserk.
Okay.
So it's honestly something that the pet parents are already understanding.
Okay.
It's just that we come into a space of awareness. And when the pet parents get the feeling ki, okay, now I'm understanding what my pet is saying or trying to tell me, it is just very satisfying.
You said this helps in finding the lost pet. So how does it work? Because generally the trend is कि अगर पेट गुम हो गया है तो we distribute or we stick up the pamphlets or something, या हम खुद उसका जो एरिया रहता है, टेरिटरी रहती है, वहाँ पे जाके 10 बार ढूंढेंगे, या पहचान वाले आस पड़ोस में बोलेंगे कि मेरा पेट खो गया है। तो बट ऑफ कोर्स फाइंडिंग अ पेट इज़ डिफ़िकल्ट थिंग, क्योंकि अगर बच्चा गुम गया है तो उसकी एक शक्ल, स्पेसिफिक शक्ल होती है, बट पेट्स में ऐसे एटलीस्ट जो पेट पेरेंट्स नहीं हैं उनके लिए तो डिफ़िकल्ट है टू डिफ्रेंशिएट बिटवीन द टू पेट्स। करेक्ट, मतलब अगर लैब और बीगल जैसे आपने कहा, लैब बीगल में तो डिफरेंस समझ में आता है, लेकिन 2 लैब्स है तो उनमें डिफ्रेंशिएट करना नॉर्मल लोगों के लिए तो डिफ़िकल्ट है। तो ऐसे में हाउ डज दिस हेल्प इन फाइंडिंग द लॉस्ट पेट?
Correct. So this is one of the major areas of work where we come into the picture. There are 2 ways here in which we work. Firstly, we connect with the animals. Ki, are you really lost, or you have gone on your own, left the house with with no particular reason as such, but just कि मुझे घूमना है. ऐसे भी बहुत बार होता है. बट इफ द पेट इज जेन्युइनली लॉस्ट, इफ ही हैज लॉस्ट हिज वे, सो वी आस्क द पेट कि हाउ डू यू वांट टू कम बैक होम, will you give us any kind of landmarks or directions so that we can guide the humans or your family to reach out and bring you back home. So in such cases, the animal, if he wants to come back home, gives us distinct landmarks. So for example, मैं यहाँ खड़ा हूँ, ये इस होटल के नीचे खड़ा हूँ, and so on. So it becomes very easy for the pet parents to reach that location and bring the pet back home.
It is like sharing your live location.
Live location, exactly.
लेकिन मतलब अभी तक आपने जो भी केसेस देखे पर ये है, कभी ऐसे हुआ है कि पेट खुद से निकल गया है बिकॉज ही इज फेड अप टू स्टे इन दैट पर्टिकुलर हाउस, के वो मे बी घर का एनवायरनमेंट अच्छा नहीं है, या उसके पेट पेरेंट्स आर नॉट बिहेविंग प्रॉपरली विथ द पेट, इसकी वजह से वो घर छोड़ के गया है, ऐसा होता है?
डेफिनेटली. सो ये 2 केसेस में यहाँ आई लाइक टू शेयर. फर्स्ट वाज एज यू सेड कि अगर घर में कुछ आर्ग्यूमेंट्स चालू है, और इफ द एटमॉस्फेयर ऑफ द हाउस इज नॉट सो पॉजिटिव, एंड द पेट फील्स कि आई डोंट वांट टू स्टे हियर, आई एम जस्ट फ्रस्ट्रेटेड एंड आई एम जस्ट वांट टू लीव, एंड आई डोंट वांट टू कम बैक होम. because ये चालू ही है इनका, they are not improving etc for whatsoever reasons. So pet in such cases clearly tells us कि don't find me because I don't want to come back home to that particular atmosphere. So just let me be. I'm happy here in the open and I'm not going to come back how much ever you are try to find me. So this is one case which had recently happened. And second one was the pet again left on his own. And he said कि he gave a particular date कि मैं इस date के बाद में ही आऊँगा. So do not even try to look for me before that. So I was a little curious कि ये date में what is it? Why specifically that date? So when we asked the humans कि क्या है, so the mother in the house said my elder daughter has some entrance exam and she is very connected to him, and there was a fight which happened कि you have to now study, stop playing with the pet all the time.
okay.
So that is one emotion which the pet caught कि because of me शायद
उसके
मेरी
studies hamper हो रहे
affect
हैं.
हो रहे हैं. So I should leave for now and I will come back once her entrance is done. So I think the entrance was on some Sunday. So on Tuesday, the dog on his own came back.
Oh wow, बाप रे, this is amazing. And as you said कि मैं घूमना चाहता हूँ, ऐसे तो they just roam around. Can
Yeah.
they go totally out of their territory?
Yes, absolutely. So basically, these animals, either cats, dogs, are explorers. So they want to explore other territories as well.
Travel
So,
bug घुस जाता है उनमें.
travel bugs, because a lot of times ये personality trait भी होती है इनकी that they want to explore, they're adventurous
They
in
don't
nature.
want to remain confined to one
Yes.
particular house or
House.
area or something.
Correct. So they just go on exploring adventures of their own and they're very happy that way.
Wow. So friends, अब आपका पेट अगर खो जाता है तो कांटेक्ट ऐश्वर्या. इंस्टेड ऑफ स्टिकिंग द लेबल्स और पैम्पलेट्स, जस्ट कांटेक्ट ऐश्वर्या. Great. And health wise, how it helps?
Right. So health is one very important aspect in this body of work of communication. So a lot of times the pets, when we ask them, कि is your health okay? कुछ हो रहा है क्या? Because symptomatically they're not showing anything. ऐसे नहीं है कि they're limping or they're showing any kind of symptoms. But a lot of times they say कि my hind legs have started paining. So it might be early signs of arthritis. So take me to the vet well in time so that मेरे जो supplements है arthritis के bone related वो सब start हो जाएंगे. And थोड़ा आराम मिल सकता है. I will feel a little better while the movement is
अगर
on.
वक्त रहते ट्रीटमेंट शुरू हो जाए तो.
Yes. So that is one way. Secondly, a lot of times the pet just keeps on crying or whining. So समझ नहीं आता क्या हो रहा है. So in one such case, the pet said कि I'm perfectly all right. I'm not even displaying any kind of symptoms. But मेरा जो deworming है वो बाकी है. My parents have not done the deworming for me, and that is the reason I feel very restless in my stomach. So in fact, it was planned कि मुझे लेके जाने वाले थे vet के पास, but for some reason it got cancelled and now it's just getting postponed. So please remind my family कि they have to get that done.
Oh.
So when I communicated or relayed this information to the family,
Parent.
they were shocked कि last Sunday ही हम लेके जाने वाले थे, but for some reason it got postponed,
Postponed,
and we forgot about it now.
बाप रे, मतलब दिस इज लाइक अ स्मॉल बेबी. उसके जैसे ही सब कुछ होते रहता है. तो वन मोर थिंग, कई बार ऐसे होता है नो कि रात में कुत्ता, पेट्स, जनरली डॉग्स, सडनली दे स्टार्ट बार्किंग एंड कितना भी कुछ भी करो लाइक वो रुकते नहीं हैं. तो ऐसे में भी ये कैसे मतलब एग्जैक्टली क्या चलते रहता है उनके दिमाग में, या ये समझ में आ सकता है?
करेक्ट. सो ये भी बहुत कॉमन भी है. एंड व्हेन वी आस्क द पेट्स दे हैव अ डिस्टिंक्ट रीजन कि मैं क्यों भौंक रहा हूँ या what is exactly happening. So as we usually as lay people we feel कि अरे ऐसे बोला जाता है कि the dog must be seeing some energies और कुछ उसको दिख रहा है. So that is not the case. There are reasons also behind it. So for example, my own pet had started, barking exactly at 3 or 4 at night. And that is the time we were very curious कि क्या हो रहा है exactly ये. And this was way back when I had not learned this. So we connected with the communicator कि क्या हो रहा है, why this midnight time. So that is when my pet told the communicator कि I feel extremely hungry because the dinner that you all give me is too early.
Oh.
So I feel hungry. So even a small bite during that time will make me sleep peacefully again. And that is the time she also mentioned कि उसके body में भी थोड़े deficiencies है minerals, vitamins के. So get that checked also. So we instantly got that checked, and she did have deficiencies. And we shifted her dinner time, and now touch wood, but she's sleeping peacefully at night.
Oh God, this is really like a baby.
Yes.
A baby. Okay. ये सिर्फ डॉग्स कैट्स के लिए ही वर्क करता है या और एनिमल्स लाइक जैसे फिश या आजकल टर्टल्स भी रहते हैं किसी किसी घर में, तो उनके लिए भी ये वर्क करता है?
Absolutely. So this works for all the nature elements. So be it dog, cat, fishes, turtles. So the process of communication is exactly the same. उसमें कुछ भी फर्क नहीं होता. So it's as good as talking to a pet dog, which maybe we talk to a bird.
ओके ओके. एक ट्रेंड ऐसा भी है कि मे बी घर में अकेले है या किसी को कुछ साइकोलॉजिकल अगर इश्यूज है तो आजकल दे ब्रिंग थेरेपी डॉग्स या थेरेपी पेट्स. तो लेकिन जो ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजिकल इश्यूज है या प्रॉब्लम्स है उसका इन पे कोई एडवर्स इफेक्ट होता है? हैव यू एवर कम अक्रॉस समथिंग लाइक दिस?
So not really. So ऐसे बहुत बार होता है कि they take on या फिर they also mirror a lot of issues which are going on with the humans. So but even if they take on, it does not affect them negatively in any way. So talking about the term mirroring is a very common phenomenon which is observed in the pet animals. So mirroring is basically acting exactly like a mirror. So they are like mirrors of their humans. So whatever the human is going through or experiencing, but which they are not aware of, that is the time the pet comes in the picture as a mirror and shows ki, देखो, look, this is happening with you, which you are completely ignoring. So pay some attention, consider it, and make those changes. So
have you ever come across any
Yes, so-
I mean experienced anything like this?
this, yes, I remember this very funny case where the humans came with a complaint कि our golden retriever, who is extremely young, very energetic, has suddenly stopped going out for walks. He just doesn't want to go out. He's become very lazy, lethargic. So we are concerned कि उसके health issues कुछ start हो गए हैं. So when we asked the pet ki, is it something related to health? क्या हो रहा है? Should we get your tests done? So he very funnily said ki it's not me. It's my mother who has become lazy and who is not going out at all for her walks and exercise. So please ask her to start it, and once she starts it, I will also follow.
मतलब उल्टा है कि कुत्ते को बोलना पड़ेगा कि उसको घुमाने लेके जाया करो. Okay, that's great. As you said, this is with all nature elements. तो ये plants के लिए भी काम करता है.
Yes, and it works very beautifully with plants. So, a case which I would like to share here, कि once a family came to me and they said कि the plant has stopped growing and it was flourishing. It had lots of flowers, it was growing, but अचानक से it is just not growing at all. So, can you communicate with the plant? and they had a huge balcony, so ऐसे भी नहीं कि space कम थी या sunlight नहीं था, everything was well in place. So when we communicated with the plant said that firstly there are uh, other plants too close to me. I do not have enough space to spread my hands. uh, it is kind of a trouble for me to fit in that space.
Okay.
So I am restricting myself. So please shift me to the other side of the balcony where there are no plants immediately around me, and just then I'll be happy. And play some nice soft music around me because I am not feeling well right now. So the family instantly shifted the plant to the other side, and within a month they could see a huge difference.
Oh, wow.
So even these smaller changes can help the plants, animals in major ways.
तारे ज़मीन पर मूवी में एक सीन है वेर आई थिंक आमिर खान टेल्स कि अफ्रीका में शायद कहीं एक आदिवासी जो ट्राइब्स हैं उनमें शायद ये एक कस्टम है, रिचुअल है कि अगर उन्हें कोई प्लांट को, पेड़ को मारना है तो ऑल ऑफ देम गैदर अराउंड दैट ट्री और उसको बहुत कोसते हैं, बहुत बुरी बातें बोलते हैं एंड देन कुछ दिनों के बाद वो पेड़ मर जाता है. तो इज इट ट्रू?
Absolutely. So this reminds me also of the experiment that we had in school during our science class. कि एक plant, दो plants लगाए थे, and one plant we had to play some music around that plant to see it grow, whereas the other had no music. So there was a major change which was also noticed कि जो plant music के around है, positive words के around है, started growing well, and the other plant was growing okay. So I think that is true, and I
So
think
your
very
emotions are
important.
caught up by the plants
Yes,
also.
yes, very well they are caught up.
कहते भी है ना कि अगर आप रोज प्लांट के साथ प्यार से बात करो तो वो बहुत अच्छा ग्रो होता है एंड द सेम काइंड ऑफ अफेक्शन और इमोशंस आर शोड बाय द प्लांट ऑल्सो टुवर्ड्स यू. कई बार हमने सुना भी है कि घर में अगर घर की जो मेन औरत है, if she happens to pass away, after that the plant never grows or something like that.
Correct.
So is it something to be connected with her passing away or anything?
A lot of times that happens as well कि plants बहुत easily emotions catch करते हैं and they wither away. So as you said, when there is say death in the house or some major incidents has happened, so the emotions of the humans are targeted towards the nature elements also, because the nature elements catch them very quick. So that affects the
Affects
plants.
them. Okay. एक इम्पॉर्टेंट और सबके दिल के करीब वाला क्वेश्चन है कि स्ट्रे डॉग्स का इशू फिर से बहुत इट्स ऑन द पीक कि स्ट्रे डॉग्स आके काटते हैं, फिर अरे बहुत हल्ला गुल्ला होता है कि उनको कहीं छोड़ आओ, कुछ करो कुछ करो. तो does this communication help to resolve this issue? I mean, would it be of help to resolve this issue?
Correct. So I would say it would be helpful to understand why the behavior of attacking.
Okay.
कि we can touch the core root cause, as we say, कि ऐसे क्यों हो रहा है. So for example, a particular area always has a alpha male or a alpha dog, the leader of the pack.
Okay. Okay.
And he has to basically take the responsibility of his members, and it is observed here a lot of times he is mostly the attacker. So to understand कि क्या हो रहा है or why is he attacking, here the communication definitely helps. So I'll give a small example. This case was from Mumbai itself, and the dog used to attack one particular member of the society only.
Only one, that
only
particular?
one, yes,
Okay.
and none others. So whenever she used to go for her walks, he would come very aggressively, very and just attack her. So everyone was concerned, and she was a dog lover also. Ki why is he targeting her? So when we asked the dog ki what is wrong, is there anything with your health or what is it? So he said that it's not about my health or it's nothing about me, but she particularly during her walks kind of teases me. So she
Okay.
talks to me in a very different tone, in a very playful mood. Maybe her intentions are completely
Good or
good.
of playing.
Yes,
Huh.
of playing and but the dog doesn't feel the same. So dog in fact said that I would like her respecting me, and I would like if she does not talk to me in that particular manner and she doesn't tease me. So when we told her the same, she continued her walks, but she reduced and stopped this behavior of teasing. And the dog was very peaceful, and they are staying in the same locality in complete harmony.
Oh, that's sweet. Really like that. जैसे आपने कहा कि लाइक हम लोगों को व्हाट द पेट ओनर्स थिंक और फील इज अगर पेट इफ ही इज नॉट फीलिंग वेल तो जनरली दे मेक सम पर्टिकुलर साउंड्स, कुछ अलग तरीके से भोंकते हैं या मे बी दे क्राई। लेकिन इसके अलावा भी अगर कुछ हेल्थ इश्यूज है तो कम्युनिकेशन कैसे हेल्प करता है उसके लिए?
So a lot of times these are basically non-verbal cues that they keep on giving. So it becomes easier to understand कि क्या हो रहा है. They are distinctly showing कि whenever they get up, they cry. So
हाँ.
इसका मतलब हो सकता है कि the leg is paining. So, but communication is not only limited to looking at the behavior of the pet or the cues which are visible. So apart from this, also when the animals do not show such non-verbal cues or display any kind of physical discomfort, uh, there are many times कि underlined things बहुत होते हैं with their regards to their health, which they might not be showing it, but still they are very much present. So in such cases, the communications help. Yes. So, but also another part to this is that a lot of times the animals do not want to share that with their families so that the families are not stressed. So they tolerate their pain. They do not display the non-verbal cues and so on. So they just want to keep themselves, keep the health issues to themselves and not disturb the family. So even such cases are many. And but if we probe, if we ask the dog ki, and if we basically give them the assurance that the parents would not get stressed, but we can help you also in a holistic manner. So there are times when the pets open up about what is exactly happening, ki ye ho raha hai, this test needs to be done. A lot of times kidney related issues bahar aate hain कि मेरा से creatinine levels high हो गए हैं, so get my tests done and so on.
Oh. Any such incidents where your communication has helped the pet as well as the pet parents to understand the problem health issue and it got resolved or it helped them to a great extent? Any such incidents you?
So the same thing which I was talking about, the kidney issue. So the pet was honestly not displaying any kind of symptoms. It was a general consultation that we were doing. So we were exploring the health aspect also. And the pets just said that we feel there is something wrong. But we do not know because the pet is not showing anything, but we just have this feeling. So, as I said, the pet parents are always understanding what is going on, but they were like, let's explore this further. So, we started exploring this further. So, the dog slowly and steadily started telling us that there might be some issue with my kidney. But my parents would get scared, so please do not tell this.
Oh.
And however, he said that ask them to do these particular tests or get this tested, and later we can see how to take it ahead. So that is when the pet parents instantly did all the tests for the kidneys, and the creatinine levels were very high, but it was well in time that it was diagnosed, and the um, treatment course was taken ahead.
Wow. On a larger scale, zoos या नेशनल पार्क्स में this communication, how would it help? Because घर में pets अगर है तो even the territory is limited, the people which visit or people which are around the pet are limited. लेकिन zoos और national, even in zoos to some extent it is limited. लेकिन national parks, zoos में basically the territory itself for the animals, it is generally many times it is attacked by other animals or something like that. So there are a lot of issues. So would this help in bringing the harmony in the nature or bring helping out the forest officers? Like maybe if the parent, it's animal himself tells के जैसे poachers वो आते हैं या हमें इनसे धोखा है या something like that.
So yes, on a larger scale, I would say it would definitely help, especially when it comes to the health aspects.
Okay.
So especially in zoos or even national parks, if the animal tells that I'm going through some issue or I need your attention to this particular health concern that I have been experiencing, I think that would definitely help.
Help. Great, great. I think when I was going through your Instagram page, I just came across one cat which actually passed away, but before that, you communicated with her, and there was something like maybe rather you saved the pet parents from some kind of a guilt. So, what was that?
Yes, so I met this family, so they had come for communication with her because their cat was extremely serious and she was hospitalized. And their major concern was what can we do now? We want to convey our love to her because now we know, as even the vets have told us, that there is no hope. So, what can we do exactly? So, that is the time when we communicated and connected with the cat. She mentioned that I do not want to be in the hospital. I know I'm going to leave this body in next half an hour. So, in case if y'all can take me home within that time, I want to peacefully be at home and leave.
Oh.
So, with only my family members around. So, that is when they immediately took the cat home, and within I think 20-25 minutes, she passed away. And that is when the pet parents later they were expressing that if we would have kept her still in the hospital,
The doctor must have kept on trying with
Yes.
different treatments.
the cat would have suffered, and
It
we
would have been painful, correct.
and we would have that guilt for life that we were seeing our cat suffering on and on. But this gave us, we are at peace that she was at the
She
comfort
passed away
of
peacefully.
her own home, and then she passed away peacefully.
Wow. Great, Aishwarya. It was nice talking to you on a very different and maybe a very exciting topic. So, thank you. Thank you for coming here and talking with us. So, friends, I think now, whenever you have a problem with your pet, you would surely talk to Aishwarya. The contact number or all the details about Aishwarya I would be sharing in my description box. और ये एपिसोड आपको कैसा लगा वो कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताइए, और कौन सा किन लोगों से आप मिलना चाहेंगे वो भी हमें बताइए. हम उनसे बात करने के लिए, आपसे मिलाने के लिए ज़रूर कोशिश करेंगे. थैंक यू सो मच. Thank you, Aishwarya.
Thank you so much for inviting.